Hi everyone, this is Ayush Srivastava, your own host, and welcome to my channel. And today we are going to explore Agentic AI. As you are knowing that the trend is more moving toward AI, generative AI, Agentic AI, and these are new tools and technologies that most of the companies are using. So I have built a project that is AI Sales Agent that is purely running on local host and using Ollama, and the model is using Mistral. In case if you want to change the model for more enhancement, you can use 5.3. So let's get started, have a quick look on this. So this agentic AI will have this is already running, and we will be also going to run a quick test also. So this is first as fast API, that is Swagger API by default, and we are having two chat and leads. So let's get started. This is the AI CS agent window. This is very minimal. I understand this will not be looking so cool, but we can enhance the front end in the next part, and I'll take it as an enhancement in the future roadmap. Uh, this is the second thing that I am checking whether the leads are getting saved or not, and this is the CRM dashboard, a minimal amount of dashboard where I'm recording session ID, message, and status of the leads. So this was the old data, and let's get started. I have quick few commands that could be used. So let's see about let's see. I'm just okay. Let me copy this. My screen is shared now. Yeah. So I'll just copy, paste, hit the button. Now the AI sales agent will be referring to the documents. I also like to show you that here I have a stored data in my, and it is working on RAG model, retriever augmented, and this is pricing products versus retention offers, upselling logic.txt. So this data is this particular agentic AI works only depending on the data that you provide. It is not going to come something from outside of the box. The data which you will be having in the system, that is going to give this support. Like this will be working as a sales and CS agent, and let's see what the reward is. It will take a bit of time because my system is a bit slow, and the RAM that is required really is very high powered for running these type of ML tools and AI specific things. So apart from this, if I want, I can run the JSON also here with the Swagger API. I can send the session ID and message, and it will be recorded. If you want, I can just show you. I'll just I'll click session ID is 234, and messages. Let's see what is the session ID. Okay, user one it is going. I'll send it 234, and message using pricing information, and I click on here execute. So it will be also executing parallelly, and let me check whether it's recording the leads. Oh yeah, yeah. So what are your pricing plans? Here we have as you can see, it is purely personalized and sharing all the, it's just generating the content, new contents for everything. I'm delighted to assist you today. Let me start by providing some information about our pricing plans. However, before we dive into that, I would like to understand your specific needs better so I can tailor the information to suit you best. Could you please share more details about what you are looking for in a service or product? This will help us ensure you get the most value of the offerings. Once I have a clear picture of your requirement, I'll be happy to discuss our pricing plans and any additional benefits that might interest you. Rest assured, we strive to provide competitive pricing while delivering exceptional service and value. If you happen to have any concerns about the pricing, I would be more happy to address them and explain how our offerings can justify their cost based on the benefits they bring. So, like this, a purely new message will be there, and let's see. I'm just copying this. I'm quickly pasting it. I'm just sending the message. Okay. In the Swagger UI, you can check. I'm not still. There is no response, I believe, because it's still like okay. So you got the response. Hello there. I'm here to help you with your inquiry. Let me start by asking if you are a new customer or existing one. You are new. So this will generate the response based on the uh, command you put. So this is again recording all the data, it's saving all the leads. And once I hit the CRM dashboard, it will also pull all the information. We can more dwell into deep dive into enhancing the front end, editing parts. But the main feature is that in this age, we are able to build a agentic AI that is purely running on my local host. There is no data outside of the system, no use of Gemini, no use of ChatGPT. You will not be bothered that, oh, from where that comes from. Do you have that data or you extracted it from the web? So if you want that, these type of tools and technologies is really very helpful. I am just giving you the short demo and nothing else. Once this demo is done, it's really, I think the agentic AIs are the future. I will believe this. And Heather, I'm glad to assist you today. Let me start by understanding your current situation a bit better. You mentioned needing something that can automate it flow. That's not like a very helpful tool for managing. So provide the best possible solution. Could you please share more details? So like this, the conversations will be more and more and more. Should I? Let's just ask something. Which plan should I go with? So it will understand the requirements, it will walk you through the pricing and plans, it will also understand the business size, it will need proper answers for that. We can also shorten the answers, so we can also train it like that the answer should be shortened. We have to also provide some more input and information in our data, that this is the feature this you should put. And let's suppose in case if someone is asking for any customization in the SaaS products, and that too is feasible, and you are having the data that this can be achieved through this. Like so there are several cases out in the SaaS industry in the customer success, where we provide a workaround solution to the clients according to their requirements, and that pitches through. But the same type of requirement, if there is some similar type of requirement asked by the another client, and we are not able to pitch, so a client would be able to go to your sales agent and get that data and information and implement that particular workaround solutions and to their product. And at the end the customer client will be satisfied. So the main motive the building of agentic AI is the client satisfactions, and really it's very good. So this is like purely curating simple answers. And if I see the dummy data which I have uploaded is really very limited and doesn't have all those informations and what I would like to show. But this tool, I am this whole complete code, I am just putting up on my GitHub account. You can fork from there, you can fork the code, you can do some changes, enhancements, and in case if you would like to add some more, add some feature to my code, then you can just uh, pull the request and push it again. I'll approve it if I found that that is reasonable and good to go. And that's it. Let's contribute and collaborate and get started. So basically, this for this running this model, you will be having a lot of things. Like there is already requirement or text, whatever things you need to install to run this particular project, and then the crm.py, memory.py, everything is basically simple and sleek. Agent.py, data, if you can enhance data, that would be pricing.text is not having the informations. Product.text retrieval, oh sorry, the information is a bit missing here, but still we are like, I've just created the dummy files and demo at how it works. In case if you want to put your files here, you can just put it up and just go and wander around it. So similar to like crm.py, it's having a simple database storage, and it's storing the session ID message. If we can also store that emails, messages, and other informations, and the cookies and the caches, everything we can store. So it depends purely upon us that what we need information. This is just a demo project, and I just have believed that this is a well good information that I have put it up. I have shown you the demonstrated the use of fast API, Swagger UI, React app, how you can run a React app, and we can also enhance this anytime. And in the future, that will be my priority, and the one of the more priority I would be having that to enable a voice based text. So to create a virtual voice real agent in this project. And really, in case if you are having any feedbacks or any new comments or any requisites, just let me know, comment down and your feedback. And thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. And please, you can find the description of the in the description the link to the GitHub URL to fork this project, in case if you want to, if you are a developer or you want to change something. Rest all is good, I think. At this stage, I just wanted to let you know that yeah, you can build up a personal agentic AI and your own. I have will be surely shortly coming with Ollama plus Claude implementation for in my another video going soon, no more soon, as soon as possible. I'm sorry. And really, this is also a good project that you can build your own personal agentic AI. Let's suppose I am in the domain of project management. What I'll do that I'll enter all the data and informations of the scope documents, projects, what I am spearheading, and and this will help me to draft more and more and more. So in case once so it's always about feature additions, showing up an MVP that what it is capable of. So like this, I hope you like this video, and really, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates. And thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.